So what would you like to do today, since you're in charge all day?
Go to the store with Mama.
Go to the store?
With Mama.
Go to the store with Amma.
Uh-huh.
What store do you want to go to?
Target.
What are we going to get at Target?
A toy for me.
Okay.
And a baby alive because I don't have no baby alive.
You have so many baby alives.
No, I don't. And I need baby alive and Barbie food. I love chicken nuggets, yum yum. And french fries.
What do you want to eat for lunch?
Chicken nuggets. Do you have chicken nuggets?
No.
Aww.
But hey, you're in charge. We can go anywhere.
Oh, can we go to McDonald's?
Sure.
Yeah, 7. And can we put that somewhere else because I don't want it there. I want it there.
You want to put this right there?
No.
Up there?
There, so it can reach.
So you want me to move that from there to there?
There.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this too. And we're going to wear something beautiful. What's beautiful? I want to wear this one.
That's way too small.
Please.
Baby, it won't fit.
Please.
Why?
Because it's beautiful. Watch. When I put it on, it's so beautiful. This one. This one.
Seriously?
Yeah. It comes over.
This is what we're wearing.
I like it. With these pants, this sparkly. I'm gonna wear this and this. You like it? This and then this. Mom, it's backwards.
Okay, I'll put it on the right way.
And it goes like this and this and this coming out. It's this. I can wear this dress. That's what I'm wearing. Let's start putting on my clothes, Mama.
What's wrong with the dress you have on?
My cheetah one. My cheetah one.
You want to wear your cheetah one? What's wrong with that one?
I don't like it.
You don't like it. Okay.
It's dumb.
Okay. Where are we going first?
Target.
For what?
First, let's go to Target to get a toy.
What about a donut and a coffee?
No, first toy. First toy. First toy. First toy. Come on, Mom. Mom, let's go.
Where are we at?
Stop doing that, Mom.
Which way is the toys?
This way.
This way. Can I get some makeup for myself?
No,
Okay.
because I'm in charge.
Because you're in charge.
Yeah. Which way? Which way?
This way?
This way.
This way.
This way? This way? This way? And which way? I want to play there.
Seriously?
I want to get out. Out! Ding dong, ding dong. This is a toy aisle.
There's toys over here.
Well, there's toys here.
There's toys over there, though. There's a whole aisle.
Look at here.
Dude.
No. Where's the garage? There was a little bit of a
Did you find it yet?
I found the right one. Whoa, I want this.
Maybe on another day where you're in charge.
Whoa, this is cool.
Ivy.
Head! A spirit head, Mama!
Wow, that's amazing.
Bed? Oh, I need beds. I need beds, Mama, for my baby dolls. Yeah. What's this? A backpack! And it comes with accessories, a doggy, with its feet sticking out. Backpack, gonna open it. Come on, poop, and then oh, Mom, I want this.
Okay, then get it. You're in charge today, remember?
I want this.
All right, let's go pay.
Could get one more toy.
Seriously?
One more toy. I don't have an on it all. One more? I just wanted 2 toys.
Okay, that's it. Let's go pay. Bless you.
Thanks.
Welcome.
This is the real Arnell stuff! With their mommy and stuff! Yay! Yay!
You already got toys in the cart, though.
No, I need Kristoff!
Oh, why did I make
And
you in
I need
charge?
Kristoff, look!
Kristoff?
Yeah, Kristoff. I need this. This is so amazing. Black.
This way to go pay. Other way. Turn the right. Good job. Wait. What?
I don't want the cushion on. This is so relaxing.
So relaxing.
It's so comfy and soft.
Here's a whoopee cushion here.
Thanks, Mom. Can I sit on it?
Yep, put it in the cart. No, I have to blow it up first. Ivy. Stand up, please.
Okay.
Come here. I have a question.
Lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said that don't got cash out. Told on white one, no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where?
Amas, stop doing that.
Anything else you want to do before we go home?
First, play my playroom.
Play in your playroom at home? Okay.
With my new on it on, my new Barbies.
Okay. And then we got a shower, okay?
No!
No shower? All right.
Just the army bath.
Just an army bath. Okay. All right, you're in charge.